Email marketing for beginners. Hey, I'm Shannon Galladay, and I'm your personal cheerleader, helping you with your wellness, business, and life goals. So let's jump into email marketing for beginners. Here's 5 tips on email marketing. So I'd love to hear from you. Go ahead and post in the comments. Let me know where you're from, what your business is, how long you've been doing your business. So go ahead and also click subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I do new videos every single week. So tip number 1, why you need an email list. Well, if you are just building on social media, if you're just building on Facebook or just on Instagram or on any social media platform, at any time, those social media accounts can be taken away without any notice. This has happened to me on Facebook and on Instagram, and it's very, very stressful when your whole social media is gone and you have to start over. So building an email list is so smart, because then you can have a backup of all of those contacts, and then you still have a way to communicate with people even if your whole social media is taken down. Tip number 2 is which which email system should you use? These are a few that I've tried that I recommend. So number 1, MailChimp. MailChimp, MailChimp, is free for a certain amount of subscribers. So that one is a great one to get started with. It's not necessarily the best one to use long term, but it's a great one to get started with. I also recommend iContact, Constant Contact, and the most recent one that I've been using is ConvertKit. I really like ConvertKit because it has landing pages and it also has opt-in forms, and so it's really easy to work with. I think iContact has opt-in forms as well. So those are a few options. Post below. There's lots of different options for email marketing, and you might find one that you like even better. So go ahead and post in the comments if you like one better. Number 3 is your free offer. So people don't want to necessarily join your email list unless they know what you're going to offer them. So always remember that it's about your people, right? It's about solving their problems. And if people feel like you are solving their problem and giving them value, then they will want to learn from you. If they feel like they're just added to a list, they don't want to do that, right? We get enough emails. So you want to make sure that all of your emails are super valuable for the people that are being added to the list. So thinking of a free offer. So first of all, think of your person, and I'd love to post in the comments, who is the person that you are working with. So me personally, so I work with people in the wellness and the business space. And in the business space, I love working with moms who are very busy and they're trying to juggle their children, maybe they have a job, and they're trying to create a business. Like, that's the person that I love working with. And so the free offer that I have, you can see in the comments below, is a PDF. I have a PDF, and it also comes with a series of emails to give tips to moms, busy moms, because that's how I was when I first started my business. Our daughters were 2 years old and 4 months old, and I was working 3 part-time jobs. I had a lot going on, and so I have learned a lot over the last almost 12 years, and I love helping those women. And so I give my best tips in the free offer. Comment in the comments below. You can check it out. But some ideas for free offers: you can do a PDF, you can do a video series, you can do a challenge. I love doing challenges as well, things like that. So number 4 is, how often should you email? So I say at least once a week, and to do it when your audience engages the most. So you can kind of look at your stats when people are opening up emails, then you can see when the best time is. But I think Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday are some of the best days. Mondays, people are usually swamped because they didn't check their email all weekend, and Friday they're kind of checking out. Saturday, Sunday, they're gone for the weekend. So Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday are usually good times, and you can just test it out with your audience. Number 5 is, be consistent. People love to hear from people that are consistently showing up. So if you're just kind of randomly sending emails, you may not build as good of a relationship with your people. But being consistent doesn't necessarily mean every week. It could mean every month. It could mean twice a month. It just depends what you think your audience needs. But I think at least once a week is a good amount to communicate with your people. Just thinking about, when you hear from people more, then you have a better relationship with them. When you hear from people less, you don't have as great of a relationship with them. So those are my 5 tips for email marketing for beginners. Number 1, we talked about why we need an email list in case our social media is taken down. What are we going to do? We need an email list. Number 2, which emails systems to use, some potential email systems to use. Number 3, our free offer that we're going to give value to our audience. Number 4 is how to do it, how often to do it. And number 5 is being consistent. I hope this was helpful for you and your business. Don't forget to click subscribe. Check out my free resources below. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.